There's an employee who works for the state park here who has invited us to go out and stay on his cattle ranch, JT Cattle Ranch in Merino, Utah. So we're going to take the motor home, and Buddy and I, we're going to go out and stay the night on JT Cattle Ranch. Actually, he built a campground for he and his family, and he invited me and Buddy to go out there and stay the night all by ourselves. All right, here we go. He immediately assumed the position. Get you better. It's up here on the right somewhere. So I'm going to stay at the camp. Buddy and I are going to stay at the campground all night. I think it's right up here. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. But you go in down there, but this is it. Let me see, open this window here so you can see. Yeah, there it is, the JT Cattle Company. Krebs established 2010. He owns all of this back in there, y'all. So Buddy and I, he's all excited. He grew up here partly. Look how excited he is. He knows where he is. This is his stomping ground, y'all. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna be turning right up in here. It's the way he comes to me when I call out his name. If this doesn't warm your heart, then I don't know what. Watch this. Buddy, hey! Look at this. Isn't that sweet? I love you, baby. Oh, oh boy. I love you, baby. And Buddy loves cornbread. Of course, I spice it up a little bit with a few things. I love boiled cabbage. A little bit of bacon. I'll give that to Buddy. Look at this loyal little baby right by my side. You couldn't ask for more than that. It really is a wonderful evening here on Jason's ranch, his cattle ranch. I don't know about you, but I've gotten older. I've really moved away from meat as much. I thought there's nothing would ever outdo a big old steak on the grill, but you know, I've kind of moved away from that. And I like things like this, boiled cabbage and boiled potatoes and that kind of thing. I think maybe I've turned into a wussy. But this is very good for a dog. You add that to the dog's food. It's very nutritious. And here's how you do this. Keep your dog healthy, and they love the flavor. What a wonderful trip this has been. I want to thank you, Jason and Tiffany. Wow, here's my view this morning. Well, we're going to make our way back to the state park. What a beautiful day here in central Utah, right, buddy? Here we go. Yeah, it sure has been a beautiful stay out here. Staying on this ranch, campground. Took it out, I actually have to cross this field. When I came in, I was worried about bogging down. This machine weighs 22,000 pounds, but it didn't. It's a little bumpy, but that's okay. So I've got a cross right here. See this? I've got to be very careful. Right here. It's going to lean way over. Whoa, whoa. That's okay. You can see my track where I came in. Easy. Easy. There you go. There you go. All right, we're going to go out this gate right up here. All righty. That was easy. Out we go. good time was had by all. Hey, buddy, did you have a good time, buddy? I know you did, baby. We had a good time, didn't we, sweetie? Hey, we'll do it again. We'll do it again, okay? Hey, right?